Hello guys, this is Ajay here. This is a small video on access list. Danish asked us to do this lab, the Network Academy lab. So a couple of my friends asked me to create this video. Um, so basically, what the scenario is, we are giving access to this PC so that this PC can SSH into this particular router, and this PC we are restricting this PC's SSH access to this router. So here we are going to implement standard access list, and we are binding that access list to the VTY line of the router. So the basic configuration is done. This is the router in my GNS3, and this host one, which is my actual physical laptop. I have integrated my physical laptop to the GNS3, and this one is my VM. Um, I can show you, like, uh, my laptop is having an IP of I'm leasing. This is my Wi-Fi adapter, and I'm getting a lease of 192.168.0.15. So when I ping 192.168.0.15, I'm able to ping from here. So IP interface brief. This is the two IP which I have assigned. We will try to ping from from my actual physical 192.168.0.30. This is my so I'm in this PC now. That's my physical laptop. I'm pinging to this interface of the router, which is assigned with the IP of 192.168.0.30. So let me ping 192.168.0.30. So I'm able to ping that. Now I will go to my VM machine and I will try to ping. Let me check the IP config. I was on with 192.168.117.5. So here the router interface was an IP of 192.168.117.30. So ping, I'm pinging to my router 192.168.117.30. So I'm getting a ping. So there is a full reach already. So if you go and telnet from this router, say example, first of all I will configure the router so that both of the PC, this laptop and my VM machine, can telnet into this particular router. So how we can do that? That's the first scenario. Config team line 80/04 ampere address. Sorry, password Cisco. This is the password I'm setting for where this password. When we try to telnet into this router, it will ask for the password, and the password we need to give is Cisco. Login. Transport input telnet. That's it. Now the thing is, like, I can telnet into this router. Let me try from my VM. That is this machine. Telnet. This one. What is the IP address? 1 and do this to 117 to 30. See, now it's asking for password. The password here is Cisco. Since no password set, that means I didn't set any password in the enable mode. So in the how I can set the enable mode password, enable secret. So I am going to give Cisco. Now try to go here to ask for password. See, it's working. Literally, I'm able to telnet into this router now. See, I have two connections. This is the active connection VTY, which is I'm telnetting from this VM 192.168.115. That's the IP address of my machine here. The IP address of my machine here. See. 11.115. That's my IP address of this machine, and the session is like see 192.168.117.115. So that means I'm able to ping from this VM. No, sorry, can able to telnet from this VM to my router here. So let me try from my local PC. Telnet host name is 192.168.0.30. Right, it's asking for passcode. Enable Cisco C. Now I'm in this router. See, I have a session, a telnet session from 192.168.15, which is my this IP address is my laptop's Wi-Fi adapters IP address. See, this is the IP address. See, so I'm able to telnet from both ends. Yes, closing this one, this one. So let me first try to create an access list to restrict telnet, and then I will show you how to restrict as such. So the commands is access list 10, whatever number you can give it, it's up to there is a numbering system like 1 to 99. If the number you are specifying number will be 1 to 9, that's standard. I'm going to give this like I'm selecting this number as access list 10, then permit this particular host PC. Okay, I'm not going to give all PCs in this network. I'm just concerned about this particular host. Permit host 192.168. What is my host IP? What is the IP of this machine? My IP is 15. So I'm permitting this, and I'm saying that deny any. That means I've created an access list. Say, oh, sorry. I created an access list. This is a standard access list, and I'm permitting this host, and I'm denying any other host. So the access list is created. This is the statement. See, access list 10 permit any. So I need to bind this access list. I need to bind this to my line interface. Go to VTY line VTY04. How I can bind this? Say access list, special number inside. That's it. When you apply this, then try to log into this one. I'm trying to SSH into, sorry, telnet into this router. 192.168.0.30. It's asking for password. So I'm able to telnet, but at the same time, if access list is working, I have given access to this machine, to this router, and with this I select the configured access list. I cannot telnet from my VM. Let me check that. It's telnet IP is 192.168.0. Sorry, 17.30. Job one connection refused. So access list is working. So that's guys. That's it for telnet. And let me remove the access list and try to enable SSH restrictions. List. List. That's it. Line 8504. Line 89. So things clear. Now I'm trying to restrict the SSH access with the access list. So first of all, let me go create the access list. 11 permit host 92.168.0.15, which is my laptop IP. Access list 11 deny any. That's access list. Now then I'm going to configure my VTY terminal VTY 0 space 4. Login local. Then my transport input is SSH. Then I'm applying this access list 11 in. So that's it, guys. So now let me test it. So I will test it from my machine. SSH. Verify SSH version 1. 92.30. So, but before that, when we are enabling this SSH, I forgot one thing. Create a local username and password. 150. How I can create a local username, because it will ask for username and password to fill in, right? So the command is username Ajay privilege level 15. That means I'm giving full permission. And password, what's the password? That's Cisco. That's it, guys. So type the username, that's Ajay. Connect, accept once, and password. See, I'm in the router now from this sphere. So that's working. Then go to my here SSH version 1. Go to session SSH 192.168.117.30. That's my router IP. Connection refused. So that means that access list is also working. So SSH is working fine now. Then what else? Just reboot my router so that I can show in this lab one more thing. Hello guys, this time I'm going to explain about an extended access list. So this is a quick one. Now what I'm trying to do is I'm giving telnet access to this particular host, which is my laptop, to to give I'm giving the permission of telnetting into this router R1, and I'm restricting my VM to telnet into R1. This time we are using extended access list, and we are using port. All of us know which port we are using for telnet. That's like 23. So let me configure that quickly. Let me configure first line command. Password. Put. So I'm confident that part is that the configuration which I've shown is like I have configured the line gateway. I've already explained all these things, so this time I'm not explaining that. I quickly configure an access list, an extended access list 101. Permit. I'm permitting my laptop. Permit. TCP. What's the protocol way I'm using? It's because telnet is TCP. Permit my host 92.168.0.15. That's my host ID. I'm, I'm giving wildcard mask, which is an exact match. 2. Then I have to specify the destination. Here the destination is my router 92 dot 168 dot 0 dot 30, and then I'm specifying the port, that is port is equal to 23. That's it. Then I'm applying this access list. Then just need to apply this access list, right? So going to apply this access list. Here, let me first check whether now I didn't apply any access list now. So I will quickly go ahead and see whether I can um, telnet into this particular router. Router IP is 92.168.117.13. Telnet open. It's asking for password and all. Scope. Sorry. Username is Ajay. Password is Cisco. So I'm able to log into my router now. So after applying this particular access list, host 1 will able to connect to this particular router through telnet, and host will be restricted uh, from telnetting into this particular router. That's what the result is. That's what the expected result is. Let me check. So now access list is created. I'm going to apply this in this interface. 101 in. Now let me try to telnet from this VM. Before it worked. Now on 7.30 trying to telnet. So now from VM I'm not able to telnet. Let me try simultaneously from my laptop. Douglas telnet on my 168.0.30. Here I'm getting password Ajay. So there you go. This extended access list is also working. So guys, hope you this will be useful and informative for you. Please leave me a comment or feedback so that where I can improve and all. Um, I'm very thankful that I could able to. I'm very thankful to you all guys for all the feedbacks that you have given for my first video. Um, So that motivated me to create the second video. Thank you once again. Bye bye.